Event services for private individuals, corporate events, and weddings. Our approach focuses on timeline development and execution, vendor coordination and communication, on-site supervision and logistic management, and ensuring seamless transition among program segments.
Our next service is bridal assistance services. Our bridal assistance service is designed to provide bride-centered support on the wedding day. Unlike general event coordination services, it focuses entirely on the bride's comfort, presentation, and peace of mind. It includes services like personal bridal attendant support, coordinating vendors related to the bride, like the makeup artist, the hairstylist, and the photographer, timeline monitoring related to the bride so that the bride will have seamless transitions, and just providing calm and professional presence throughout the day.